This is for week 4, written methods. It's an activity for 5-year-olds and it's called How Many in Each Jar. Resources for this activity: you would need clear jars, you would need items to go in those jars, so counting teddies or possibly counting fruit or some other small items that will fit inside the jars. The basis of this activity is to get the children counting and then writing the corresponding number. So what I would do is set up real glass jar or real plastic transparent jars, and I would put items in them. So here I've just got some apples and pears, and I could use the counting fruit, such as counting teddies. And I would have a worksheet correlating to each jar. So the first one on the left here has 3 apples. So I would have that physical jar with the 3 physical mini apples inside. And we would explore this first at the physical level, and then I would introduce these number worksheets where the children have to find the worksheet that correlates to the physical jar, check that it's the same, so count the apples here, 1, 2, 3, and also count the apples inside the physical jar, and then they could trace over the first number 3 here. Then the second 3 with the dots is to trace as well, so they can follow the line of dots, and this blank space here is for them to write the number 3 themselves. The red dot indicates the starting point. As an extension, I could take away this bottom section of the worksheet and just have simply the picture of the jar and the items inside of it, and I could have possibly number flashcards up and around the room so they can have that visual help, but it's not necessarily written on the paper right in front of them. But yeah, as I mentioned, it's mainly to get them recognising and linking the number of items with the actual written symbol number.